So as you can see from the title of the video, we are going to be popping our beauty blenders into the microwave, and this is what the first beauty blender looks like. As you can see, there's a bunch of dirt at the very top, and then there's dirt at the bottom. And then this is my beauty sponge from Real Techniques. As you can see, there's only dirt at the top and very little at the bottom. I only use this for powder, so this one, I have a feeling popping this beauty blender or beauty sponge into the microwave is going to clean this one more than it's going to clean this one. So let's head on over to the kitchen. I'm going to start out by filling this glass Tupperware thingy with water. I did add some soap in there, you can see it. And I'm just gonna saturate the beauty blender with some water. Gonna pop it in the microwave. Oh Lord, that microwave dirty. Put it on 1 minute and then we shall see. The water isn't even really dirty, so I mean, oh, it's hot. I mean, you can still see the foundation and stuff on it. Oh, that's hot. Yeah, these are still dirty. We're gonna do this one more time, and if it doesn't work, then and by the way, this is the soap I'm using. Okay, let's try this again. This time the water is getting a little murky when I squeeze it in there, so maybe this time it'll work. 1 minute on the clock. Oh, that's hot. That's hot. I'm trying to use my nails to squeeze because this mug is hot. So, yeah, this is still really dirty. I'm gonna head on over back to my room so I can actually show you that there is absolutely no difference. I mean, there is a little bit of difference right there, but not really. That's what the water looks like. I'm gonna rinse it under cold water because they're hot. I'm just cleaning my sink, so it's clean. So as you can see, this beauty hack did not work for me. It more so just brought everything to the surface, so I guess it's going to be easier to clean out, but it really didn't do much. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Leave any questions, comments, or concerns down in the comment section below. For the love of makeup and all things girly, please subscribe and stay tuned for my next video. Bye guys.